Fully sealed glass office buildings naturally trap heat like an intense greenhouse, leaving the occupants inside sweating through the afternoon sun. We typically address this heat with brute force, blasting the space with industrial air conditioning that spins the electricity meter and drains financial resources. Blocking the sun with solid barriers can lower the temperature, but it also cuts off fresh airflow and plunges the room into darkness. Static structures often force a choice between visibility, fresh air, and affordable energy just to remain comfortable. Buildings could avoid these compromises if they were designed to physically adapt to the environment, much like a living organism. Kinetic architecture utilizes structures that physically move to respond to external forces, like shifting winds and rising temperatures. The most efficient of these designs achieve this motion through their material properties, requiring no motors or external electricity. By making the building's surface active, architects can use the exterior to passively regulate the internal climate. The Bloom installation in Los Angeles, designed by Doris Sung, provides a real-world look at a zero-energy kinetic structure. This physical motion originates within the material itself, utilizing a concept known as a thermal bimetal skin. This material consists of two different sheets of metal tightly bonded together into a single flat strip. Because these two metals expand at different rates when they get hot, intense heat forces the bonded strip to physically curve. As the midday sun bakes the Bloom Pavilion, these bimetal panels automatically curl outward, creating wide gaps across the structure's surface. These openings allow hot air to escape and fresh breezes to flow through. Then the panels flatten back down as the evening air cools the metal. The architecture becomes a self-regulating climate control system by using the innate physical properties of the metal, completely removing the need for mechanical intervention. While pavilions prove the concept, massive urban skyscrapers face a much larger challenge from solar heat gain. The Bund Finance Center in Shanghai applies these kinetic principles at a commercial scale through a moving exterior veil. This massive system utilizes exactly 675 magnesium-alloy tassels that continuously rotate across 3 independent layers. This rotation constantly adjusts the building's opacity, blocking harsh sunlight as the sun's position changes throughout the day. By intercepting heat on the exterior while preserving outward views for the occupants, the system keeps the interior comfortable without sacrificing visibility. Using these smart building skins can turn a high-rise into a responsive barrier that lowers the energy required for mechanical cooling. This suggests a future for urban design where cities are made of surfaces that can undulate and breathe. The goal is to keep global populations comfortable while reducing the massive amount of energy used for climate control. Building structures that adapt to the environment can be more effective than relying on mechanical systems to fight against it. Kinetic architecture shows how material science can rethink the way we build our cities. To see more, please like, comment, and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe.